Good day, beautiful people. I'm Gospel Eruka. I'll be teaching you how to create stunning design with your Pixar Lab. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you're gonna import your background. So we're gonna import our background. Go to gallery. You will choose any background of your choice. Okay, we'll choose background for Spark Post. I think this white is okay. 1.1. Okay, now I want to import my PNG files. What is PNG files? PNG files are lossless data corporation format. You can get your PNG files from pickpng.com. Okay, I'll go to my PNG file. Okay, my PNG file. Okay, this is my PNG file. You could resize it to any shape, size of your choice. Okay, I'm going to be increasing the size. Yeah, I think this will do. Okay, now we're going to add our text. So I'm going to be writing my learn graphics designs. We'll make it capital letter. Okay, I think I'll be using black. So you can change your color of your text. Black. Okay. Okay, I will soon change the style. Black. Bold. Sorry. You could input any font of your choice you like, but I'm not going to be inputting any fonts in this design. Okay, so move it somewhere here. I think I'll be reducing the shape a little bit. Okay, I'm going to be adding my line, a straight line. So I'm going to shape. I can resize this thing to any line of my choice. I could also change